Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23. We're going to Alhamra, Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. Come on guys, let's swim. Join me with Ryan, Arby, Ruby, Ate Hailin, Inday, and Papi Ala.
Inuha ko rin yung dagat. Para ano, di ba?
Shout out to my big boss,
Para na
Boss
parang
Sanjay
yung dinodrawing
Lama,
mo.
Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay safe, stay healthy always, and take care. Hello to all Dubai Duty Free. Number 1, Mia Mia, Rakam Wahid. We're going to Union Co-op. Al Barsha, Dubai. Hello to Muhammad from Electronics and Tomris.
Ano yan? Kung may
Who's
pera...
there?
Merry Christmas, ma'am. How are you today?
Ano yan? Mamimigay
Hacha,
ba ng...
tike?
Hacha. Tike.
Bibigyan ng ampaw to, ninang ko to eh.
Mamimigay
Ninang!
ka ng pamasko to? Mamimigay ka ba
Merry
ng
Christmas.
pamasko?
Yes, of course.
Ay, ako'y ano, dalawang kamay na.
Sasayaw ka doon ng ano, apat to.
Ang kinakailangan.
Ayan.
Tayo mo dito backup dancer.
Yo.
Nasa likuran.
Akin na lang yan.
Ang meeting.
How are you?
Akin na lang yan, sa loob na lang.
Tike Achain? Mia Mia, Rakam Wahid. Hello to all my beautiful managers. Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Ibet,
Dala ko
Ma'am
puro
Nori,
pandamig
Ma'am Tox, Ma'am Melanie, Ma'am Joy. Stay beautiful, always take care,
ba?
and God bless.
Di ba? Malamig yung dagat.
Shout out to all BA Perfume Shop, Ship A, Ship B, Ship D, and Ship C number 1. This is Papi Alan from Djibouti, Rakam Wahid. This is Alhamra Palace, Ras Al Khaimah.
Ano, ang daming shop po.
Regards to all Irish Village. Number 1, number 8, Mia Mia.
Nagka-amnesia ka na?
Shout out Amado ng Karchir. And also Julius ng Kutimi. Shout out Stay pretty boy and
How are you
healthy always. I'm here, my friend. Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay? Hello to all my friends and colleagues. Emirati, Pakistan, India, China, Morocco, Egyptian, Bangladesh, Nepal. Stay safe, stay healthy always. Enjoy life. This is Ruby from Carolina Herrera, number 1. Number 8, Mia Mia. Hello to Grace Catering.
Santos Marlon, shoutout sa'yo dyan. Boss Ernie, baka naman. Di na kayo paparamdam dyan ah.
Boss Ernie, where is your daddy?
Who's your daddy?
Who's your daddy?
Boss Ernie, who's your daddy?
Hello to Rega Boys. Boss Reggie, Carlos, Kuya Dos, Onen, Creyos, Sherwin, Rickrak. Stay pretty boy.
Hindi.
Stay healthy always.
Yung upuan?
Oo, lahat.
Oh, na-open na.
Enjoy your life. Regards to my friend Joen Bulgari,
Asa na yung Jepun?
AJ Black Level, Julius Kotimi, and Amado ng Perfumes. Stay pretty boy and for sale.
Oh my God, ang sarap. The best.
Sa bahay lang oh.
Bahay lang. Sprite up!
Wala oh. Sinuklaw na. Wala na.
Shout out to my friend Drex Penhaligon, Chris Ray, Almar, Paring Jigs, Paring Jinel, Ian Cas Office, Mark Philip Mores, Michael Danhill, Norsid Batang Mindanao, Dan Badagwas, Rosalinda Peregamo, Katrina Sisley, Jam Gucci, Leslie Clinic, Crazy ng Kutimi, Don Anthony, and Joel Sisley. Take care always, my friend. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your life. Hello to all the NATA staff, Emirates Airline, Transguard, Marhaba. Stay safe always. Guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day. How are you? Guys, look. Very nice. Pops, what is this? Hot dog, hot dog.
Yeah. Yummy.
Yum yum. Number
Ice cream
one.
yummy.
Number one.
Yorme, anong gusto mo? Peanut butter or cheese whiz? Peanut butter. Peanut
Butter
butter?
na lang. Number one.
Number 1, ang peanut butter.
Ate Hailey, number one.
Yes, bagong gising mga kapatid.
Shout out.
Na-survive namin ng ang lamig na
Perfumes.
ano.
Concourse A, Shipsy.
Yeah.
Number egg. Number egg.
Sa West sa West na ako
West. West only, number one.
Yeah. The Green Lady. Yeah.
How about East?
Yeah, of course, my beloved is.
Shout out, ma'am.
Ang ingay mo naman, nagbablog kami pag ihiyang inaano mo. Yung pag ihiyang inaano mo dyan.
Carolina Herrera, number one.
Alam na.
Alam na this?
Oh.
Be! Nilagyan lang na natural to. Natural to dito. Iniilawan nga kami.
Ay, tayo? Nino?
Tingnan mo nandyan, oh. Kasi nag-flashlight kami.
Pops, coffee, Pops, coffee.
Oo, kagabi. Sila.
Shout out, Concourse D.
Shoutout ko, Force D.
Kuya Cesar. Kuya Jam.
Maagang pamasko na.
Kuya Raikel.
Kuya Rex. Dahil kuya ron eh.
Kuya Albert.
Kuya Noel.
Kuya Noel.
Kuya Jam. Kuya Joseph. Lahat na kuya dyan.
How are you? Stay pretty boy.
Naisip ko tuloy si Marimar, paano siya naka-survive?
Sino Marimar?
Lumaki sa tabing ilog, ganyan, di ba?
Dagat yun ate, dagat.
Marimar!
Ah, okay.
Dagat yun ate, dagat. Ano, paano kaya siya na...
Ay daw, para mas social.
Mga Karel ha?
Ay, ang tilapia, eh di ba yun naman ang iniihaw? Bangus, sabi ko, hito. Ayok. Eto pa ang isa. Ate, puro ba si Brima bibili natin? Di ba tayo bibili ng tilapia?
Second second comment ha. Tilapia number 1 ha.
Tilapia yung iniihaw.
Sabi ko, naku, sinasabi ko sa'yo, kayo mababash ni Ryan pag kayo bumili ng tilapia.
Siyempre, sumunod
Hindi
ako.
ate, pinaputok ng tilapia. Ah, talaga, meron bang ganun? Sige nga.
Ayun,
Bumili ka nga
iniihaw
ng
mo.
dalawa.
Tapos talaga.
Guys, let's go, let's swim. Russell Kaima, number 1. Shout out. Pare Menjil. Lebron James. Boss Andrew. Papa Kent. Adolfo. Steady pulso lang kayo dyan ha. Stay pretty boy, okay?
Marlon! Asan ka na, Marlon? Dito na ako!
Casa Office, shout out! Shout out Christopher Pescador, Ron Chua, Uncle Pitts, Ryan Brescia, Mike Sanchez, Billy Nandaison. Let's swim, guys. Guys, don't forget, subscribe. Yorme 23. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care always. Merry Christmas to all. Masalam.